If you find a small hole in your clothes, do not throw them away just yet. With a few simple tricks, you can reuse them instead of letting them go to waste. Today, I will show you 3 quick and easy ways to cover or repair those holes at home. Make sure to watch until the end and tell me which method you like the most. Method 1, Heart Stitch Patch. First, turn your garment inside out so the right side of the fabric is facing you. This will make sure the finished stitch looks clean and neat from the outside. Take a pen or fabric marker and gently draw a heart shape around the hole. It does not need to be perfect. The heart will simply guide your stitches and help you keep a balanced shape. Now choose a thread in a different color from the fabric. This contrast will create a lovely highlight and turn the repair into a decoration, rather than something to hide. Start your first stitch. Insert the needle from the inside of the fabric and push it up through the top center point of the heart. Pull the thread through until it is secure. From that point, guide the needle straight down to the bottom center of the heart. This line will divide the heart in half and act as your center guide. Next, go back to the inside of the fabric. Insert the needle again, this time at the left side of the heart, at the same height as the middle point of your center line. Pull the thread across diagonally toward the center line and meet the point where the vertical stitch is. This forms 1/2 of a letter V. Now move to the opposite side. Insert the needle at the right edge of the heart, mirroring the previous point. Pull the thread diagonally again, back to the same center spot. You now have your first complete V shape. Continue repeating this pattern. Each time start slightly higher on the left, then cross to the center. After that, move to the right and cross back to the center again. Every pair of stitches will form a new V, and they will stack on top of one another like the shape of a fan or the petals of a flower. By the way, where are you watching this video from? I would love to know. So leave a comment below. Once the entire heart is filled with V shapes and no fabric is left uncovered, insert the needle to the inside of the garment again. Tie a secure knot and trim off any extra thread. And just like that, your hole is no longer a flaw. It has been transformed into a sweet little heart. Method 2. Sunray weaving patch. Secure the border and prevent it from widening while you work. Now continue along the edge. From the inside, bring the needle out again near the opening, then wrap the thread over the edge of the hole and take the needle back in. Each stitch should reach out from the border like a ray of sunlight. Repeat the same movement all the way around the hole. Try to keep an equal distance between every stitch so the final result looks balanced. Once you have gone full circle, the hole should resemble the spokes of a wheel or the rays of a small sun. Now the weaving begins. Bring the needle up again at one side of the hole. Guide the thread across the opening by going over one spoke and under the next. Then repeat the same pattern again and again, moving slightly downward with each row. It is just like weaving a tiny basket. Over one, under the next, and pull gently to keep everything even. Slowly, the center of the hole will begin to fill, closing the gap one layer at a time. Continue until the empty space is completely covered and no fabric is visible beneath the threads. When the middle is packed and smooth, insert the needle back through to the inside of the garment. Tie a secure knot and trim away the extra thread. How do you feel about this method? If it is helpful, please give Nora Tips a like. Your support means a lot, and helps this channel grow. Method 3. Ladybug Satin Stitch Patch. For this final method, we are going to turn the hole into a cute little ladybug. Start by taking a pin or fabric marker and sketch a circle or an oval shape that fully covers the damaged area. Then draw a straight line down the center to divide the circle into 2 equal parts. Now thread your needle with red thread. Insert the needle from the inside of the fabric and bring it up right at the lower edge of the circle. We will use the satin stitch. This is a thick stitch made with closely packed parallel lines. Bring the needle up from one side of the border, then pull it across to the opposite side. Repeat this motion again and again, placing each stitch right next to the previous one without leaving any gaps. Continue until the entire bottom half of the circle is fully filled with solid red. Make sure the surface is smooth and even, as this will form the body of the ladybug. When you are done with the lower section, switch to black thread. Begin filling the top half using the same satin stitch technique. Go from one edge to the other, line by line, until the upper part is completely covered in black. And if you have watched this far, please consider subscribing. It helps more than you know and motivates me to keep creating these useful tips for you. Now that both halves are filled, it is time to add details. Stitch one straight line down the middle from the top of the circle to the bottom. This will separate the wings. Next, decorate the wings with small black dots. Use the French knot or a simple wrapped stitch. To do this, bring the needle up through the fabric, wrap the thread around the needle 1 or 2 times, then insert the needle back down very close to the entry point. Pull gently to form a neat little knot. Place these dots evenly across both sides of the body. Finally, add tiny legs. Use short stitches shaped like the letter L or small hooks on both sides of the body. These do not have to be perfect. Even a few little lines are enough to give the ladybug character and charm. And there you have it. The hole that once looked like damage has now turned into a cheerful ladybug, sitting proudly on your clothes. So which method are you going to try first? The heart, the sunray weave, or the ladybug? Tell me in the comments. I am really curious. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves fixing things instead of throwing them away. Thank you for watching Nora Tips, and I will be back soon with more clever ideas to make your everyday life easier.